Make your way to the Justice High School Library website in order to search the catalog for books and put them on hold. You can either Google Justice High School Library and navigate to the new website, or you can use your Class Essentials document. At the bottom of that document is a direct link to the library. Once there, click Catalog either at the toolbar or at this icon, and you'll see the screen show up. It's called Destiny Discover. This is where you search for the titles of all the books in our library catalog. Search either by topics, also known as genres, or in the search box you can enter a search term such as cars or sports, or you can enter exact titles of books. Also scrolling down, you'll see ebooks and audiobooks. This is just another way to access them. All right, I know that I would like to read a new book out called Internment. It's a modern day dystopian novel about people getting rounded up and surveilled by the government. The results show that I have a print book that is in the library. Nobody has it checked out, so I can put that on hold. If it said out, I could still put it on hold, and as soon as it got returned, I'd be able to check it out then. To place the hold, click the title, and you'll see a blue login button. Click that. Navigate your way to log in into the account using the Fairfax County Public Schools blue link and enter your school credentials, same as your network credentials to get on the computer. There, simply touch the hold button and the book is now on hold for you. To double check to make sure the hold has taken place, click the icon, the hamburger icon, also the main menu icon, and you'll see a list of functions that you can do, first of which is hold. Yes, this book is on hold for me. It says that the hold is ready. That just means it's ready for the librarians to process. Once the book is ready for you to pick up, you will receive an email in your school Gmail account. You can also check to see how many books you have checked out and when the due dates are. I checked out several books over the summer, and they look like they're all due September 18th, so I still have a little bit of time to finish them up. And that's it for the library catalog. Please let me or Miss G know if you have any questions on how to get into the catalog or what to do once you get there.